Hey, creators, want to take your content game to the next level with AI? Whether you're just starting or already deep into AI-powered workflows, learning ChatGPT and prompt engineering can be a game changer. But with so many resources out there, where do you start? Don't worry, I've done the research for you. In this video, I'll share the top 5 YouTube channels that will help you master ChatGPT and AI-driven content creation. Let's dive in. 1. AI Foundations. If you're new to AI Foundations is the perfect starting point. They break down ChatGPT and other AI tools into simple, easy-to-follow tutorials. What makes this channel stand out? Real-world applications. They show you exactly how to use AI for content creation, workflow automation, and even business growth.
2. All About AI, by Matt Wolf. Matt Wolf is a leading voice in AI, and his channel is packed with game-changing insights. His Prompt Engineering 101 playlist teaches how to craft prompts that deliver precise results. He also breaks down AI tools like Claude 2 and GPT-4, showing how they can automate scripting, SEO, and social media. Weekly updates keep you ahead of AI trends, making this channel essential for anyone serious about leveraging AI. 3. MattVid Pro AI. For creators looking to streamline content production, this channel is a goldmine. The ChatGPT for Content Creators series reveals how to generate high-quality scripts in minutes. AI tool comparisons help you choose the best software for your needs. Plus, exclusive toolkits for editing, voiceovers, and audience growth make this a must-watch for content automation. 4. IBM Technology. IBM's YouTube channel offers free, expert-led courses on AI fundamentals. The AI Foundations playlist simplifies complex topics like NLP, natural language processing, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're a creator or an entrepreneur, this channel helps you understand the core technology behind AI instead of just using it. Exclusive interviews with industry leaders provide insights into AI's future in content creation. 5. Google Cloud Tech. For those interested in advanced AI workflows, this channel is a powerhouse. Tutorials on Vertex AI and Palm 2 show how to build custom AI models for tasks like blog writing and video analytics. The AI Simplified series teaches prompt engineering frameworks used by Google engineers. Case studies highlight how AI is revolutionizing content creation, making this a must-watch for forward-thinking creators. And there you have it, the top 5 YouTube channels to master ChatGPT and AI prompt engineering. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these channels are you excited to check out first? And if you've already learned from a great AI or prompt engineering channel, drop it in the comments. Let's build a solid list of resources together. Found this helpful? Smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips from Learn It Fast. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.